guys, this is Big Duck 100. I'm gonna announce the winner of the Nature Archer giveaway. And here we have a quick little rules. Nature Archer giveaway. So enter we will be. So I'm gonna pause the video. Oh, pause it. Okay, I'll be right back, guys. So I'm gonna see the person who won. So here I go. So let's read the comments. How many there are. What's the ceiling going over this? What the heck? That's just weird. Yeah, I do use screen for some minute. So I already have 21 views. Awesome. Okay, so let's see how many comments there are. 5 comments. Wait, did he enter? 1 minute, I'll be right back. Well, we have a problem. He says he did enter, but we don't see it. I'll check. No, he didn't. So did he comment on the wrong giveaway? I need to check my inbox. I'll be right back. Well, we're going to caption. And I don't know if he's gonna see his fight right now. He took 2 rolls. I'm sorry for you, George. 3 wonderful hairs. 1, 2, 3. Sunbed 999. Yeah. Congrats, Sunbed. You're already my bud, though. Wait, what the? Yeah, coffee. And then wait, no, you're not. You're my buddy. Oh, so you're better close to the system. I'm not going to be making any more of your choices now. So guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, with that 100, and I hope you enjoyed. Also, one more thing for you guys. I am going to do a giveaway for if I get 50 subscribers, or if I get 40. I just need a couple more subscribers to 30,000 or something awesome. You're gonna get your choice giveaway, okay? Because you guys don't get the your choice giveaway. So if I announce the winner, they don't get it. I just have to give away an Archway. So